Hey, did you know that Amazon fees can eat up to 50% of your sales price, leaving you with almost nothing after all your hard work? It's a brutal reality out there that's crushing thousands of sellers right now. But don't you panic. Today, I'm gonna be revealing the shocking truth about these hidden costs and show you how top sellers still make millions despite them. Stick around if you want to learn how to protect your profits. Now, let's face the hard truth. Selling on Amazon isn't free. Your income is what's left after subtracting production, shipping, and most importantly, Amazon's fees from your selling price. These fees include a referral fee, which is 8 to 15% of your sale price. Fulfillment by Amazon or FBA fees ranging from $2.50 to $5 per unit for small items, and a $39.99 monthly subscription for professional accounts. FBA gets your product stored, packed, and shipped by Amazon, plus a shiny Prime badge for visibility, but it comes at a cost. On average, fees can swallow 30 to 50% of your revenue. That's huge. So how do sellers still make money? Let's look at some real examples here. I've analyzed 5 real products today from Amazon sellers to show you how income works even with these crushing fees. Let's dive in. First up, a silk bonnet for sleeping, priced at $9.98. It sold a massive batch of 80,000 units in 30 days. Amazon fees take $5.63 per unit, shipping is 36 cents, and production only 77 cents. That leaves a profit of $3.22 per bonnet, adding up to an insane $257,000 in a single month. Imagine that. Hundreds of thousands of dollars from a simple hair accessory. Next, a 5-pack shower caddy at $18.99, moving 60,000 units. Fees hit hard at $9.74 per pack, with shipping at $3.24 and production $2.39. Still, the seller pockets $3.62 per unit, totaling over $217,000 in 30 days. Now, that's not bad for a bathroom storage. Now, check out this omega-3 fish oil priced at $26.95 and selling 70,000 units. Fees are $8.34, shipping 80 cents, production $2.50, leaving a whopping $15.31 profit per bottle. That's over $1 million in profit in just 1 month. Proof that higher price items can be gold mines. For smaller players, look at car seat hooks, $6.99 for a 4-pack with 10,000 units sold. Fees take $4.07, shipping 26 cents, production just 40 cents, netting $2.26 per pack or $22,600 monthly. Even small sales add up. And finally, resistant bands at $8.99, selling nearly 18,000 units. Fees are $4.33, shipping 51 cents, production a tiny 25 cents, so profit is $3.90 per set, totaling over 69,000 in 30 days. Across these 5 products, total profit is over $1.6 million in a month, despite the fees biting you real hard. So, why do fees hurt so much, yet sellers still succeed? Amazon's commissions take 30 to 50% of your price, but the platform's massive reach, especially with FBA's Prime status, drives huge sales volumes. Look at that fish oil, $15 profit on 70,000 units. Success comes down to picking high demand, low competition products, setting smart prices, optimizing listings with keywords and reviews, and controlling costs. Fees are inevitable, but with the right strategy, profits can soar. Now let's talk about cutting those costs next. Here are quick tips to minimize Amazon fees and boost your income. First, choose products wisely. Focus on items with high demand but lower competition to keep prices and profits up. Second, optimize costs, source products at the lowest possible price without sacrificing quality. Third, price strategically. Factor in fees to ensure a healthy margin, even if it means a slightly higher price. Fourth, nail your listings. Use strong keywords and get 5-star reviews to drive sales without pricey ads. And finally, start small. Test with a $1,000 to $2,000 batch to limit risk before scaling up. And if you need to hear this, you got this. One way to keep costs down is by using tools like supplyleader.com. It connects you to suppliers with low prices and small order sizes, plus offers analytics to spot profitable products. It's a handy option to streamline sourcing and prep for FBA, helping offset some of those Amazon fees. But the real key is your strategy. Use any resource that fits your plan. Found this video eye-opening? Hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more game-changing ideas on increasing your Amazon earnings, mastering fees, and building your e-commerce empire. We pack every video with value, keeping them under 10 minutes and right to the point. Drop a comment below about what product you're thinking of selling, and I'll brainstorm ideas in future content or replies. Amazon offers endless possibilities, so take the leap and start strategizing today, and I'll be seeing you in the next video.